in connection with the observance of World Health Day, MPH program, Institute of Management Sciences, conducted a questionnaire survey among the general public to gauge the level of awareness about health and health issues.
I'm Fatma Junaid. I'm an assistant professor at the Institute of Management Sciences, and I teach OB and HR concentration subjects. Well, aside from the famous quote that it's wealth, I think it has to be the way you feel physically, the way you feel mentally, eating healthy, exercising, having the right kind of environment, which
I'm Mohammad Tariq and I'm serving as Manager Administration at the Institute of Management Sciences. Since I'm not a doctor, so technically speaking I don't know the technical definition, but as a layman, for me, health is physically when you can perform all your functions normally and all the indicators like your eyesight and brain and heart and kidney and the system works well, you are a healthy man.
My name is Muhammad Ali and I'm an assistant professor and coordinator for IT programs at AM Sciences. Health, well, the way I feel in my daily life, the way I perform my duties, how efficiently I can perform, how fit I am to perform all these duties. So to me this is like health.
This is Javed Iqbal. I'm a lecturer here in the Development Studies program. I have done Masters in Development Studies from the US. Well, health is a collective well-being of being physically good, being socially good, feeling good about your environment. So it's not just a physical thing. It has a lot of dimensions.
Okay. Health is a natural thing which is being gifted to this human being by God. So any person in proper senses for the sound health, mean every organ is working properly and there is no flaw there, no upset there, no body, everything is properly functions. So that's health.
Yes, I agree with Rafiq sir, because this is how we can define health. Now, further extending that, and broadly, we can see that it is related with the physical as well as with the mental thing, mental health as well as physical health. So broadly, we can see what I can deduct from Rafiq sir is that physical health is related to the senses, and then again you need mental health. So this is how I think.
Well, the bookish definition is the complete social, physical and mental well-being. But in my opinion, the individual, the day he feels happy is a healthy day for him or her.
My name is Dr. Taimur. Health is the best state or condition in which a person is. It's the best physical or mental state in which a person is present or he presents himself with his excellent conditions of the body or the mental state.
State of well-being is that.
صحت خدا په دې لوی نعمت دی الله تعالی طرف څخه ځکه چې یو تندرست سړی دی کنه نو هغه د معاشرې په کار راتلی شي د سوسایټي په کار راتلی شي بیمار سړی چېرې هم د سوسایټي په کار نشي راتلی ځکه چې هغه خپله بیماري نشي خپل محتاج ما به بل سره څه
او ام سینسس کې سکیورټي ګارډ ډیوټي ادا کوم د وخت کې او سرانجام کوم ډیوټي صحت خو د الله طرفه جي او داسې ډېر غټ لوی نعمت دی چې موږ شکریا ادا کوی نشو یو ښه صحت لپاره خو بیا به موږ د الله غټ شکر گزار یو چې د ښه صحت موږ راکړی او کوشش په دا کوو چې صحتمند پاتې شي معاشره زموږ
جی موږ خو کار مخکې د کپړې کوو اوس ټیکسي چلو صحت خو دنیا کې غټ نعمت.
मेरा नाम इरशाद है, मैं ड्राइविंग करता हूँ. सेहत ये है कि जब बीमारी नहीं है तो वो सेहत है.
बीमारी ढेर किस्म बीमारी थी इंसान बन के राजी और बन से लाहकी की इंसान था वो जाकर कि बीमारों के ये बीमारी में इंसान था लाहकी ना सेहत बांधी मोज रास्ता
अकल नहीं तो मौजा ही मौजा.
Not mentally and not physically, especially with all that is happening around. Our mental health is getting stressed, and the kind of foods that we are eating, especially the urban people, the physical health is not good. So no,
नहीं, इससे तो बिल्कुल हमें सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, क्योंकि हर चीज़ में मिलावट है. मतलब दूध हो गया, कोई भी चीज़ होगी, इसमें पेप्सी होगी, इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिलावट है. और हम लोग जब वो चीज़ें खाते हैं तो वो हमें उतनी असर नहीं देती जितना कि एज़ कम्पेयर टू मतलब फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में चीज़ें वगैरह हैं. मतलब हमारी एज के जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, मतलब मेरी अब एज 22 है, तो एज़ कम्पेयर टू अगर फॉरेन कंट्री में आप किसी स्टूडेंट को देखें और उसकी एज 22 होगी तो वो काफ़ी मेच्योर होगा, बॉडी वाइज भी, हेल्थ वाइज भी. और एज़ कम्पेयर टू अगर आप मुझे उसके साथ खड़ा करें तो मैं बिल्कुल बच्चा ऐसा कमज़ोर सा लगूंगा. तो काफ़ी
तकरीबन खुदा महसूम तकरीबन 40 उम्र दमा वशो पदे पाकिस्तान के और दा तजुर्बा में दा तकरीबन मखना जमूंग माशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान के ढेर सेहतियाबी पैदा शेर और ढेर खलक सेहतमंद दी और माशाल्लाह दा पाकिस्तान दा से तरक्की पर तरफ रवानी नूर माशाल्लाह जी सेहतमंद है.
ایمانی تو ناسونه دا خو ناسونه دا خو دې جار انسان
ان شاء الله صحتمند غیرتمند هر قسم پښتون قوم دی.
To start with, be happy, have peace, enjoy the beauty, enjoy the good things, whether it is food, whether it is people, whether it is resource, whether it is flowers, whatever, and be good to yourself.
I think education plays a very vital role in improving health standards. People usually associate with these things with wealth, but wealth without education will contribute very little, I think. When you educate people that how they can remain healthy with very little wealth as well, they can be. Because when someone is born, a baby is born, he is a normal baby. But it is out of the ignorance of people that then the thing starts. You can remain a normally healthy person with a normal living standard, I think. So educating people that the people should know how they can remain healthy.
Same that I just said, that we should take this responsibility that we should be taking care of ourselves and the families. I mean, it doesn't cost you if you eat healthy food, if you drink clean water, if it is available, and if you keep yourselves fit, because I think this is half of your health is kind of you can keep yourself healthy.
Yeah, stay healthy, have good habits.
मेरा ख्याल इसमें ये है कि आपको खाने से पहले हाथ धोने चाहिए, बच्चों को इंजेक्शन वगैरह लगवाने चाहिए और बस सफाई का खास ख्याल रखना चाहिए.
Dear audience, you have watched the views of different peoples regarding health and health-related issues. The dire need of the hour is to improve knowledge regarding health and the practice in our daily life. Ziaur Rahman, MPH Program, Institute of Management Sciences, Peshawar.